I'm savage. Classy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what happened? What happened? I'm savage. Okay. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what happened? What happened? Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today, I have Ariel. I want to be where the people are. There you are. You're on the floor. I want to be where the people are. Okay. There you go. Ouch. We're in showtime, but yeah. Today, as you guys saw in the just this. That's normal, right? Just kidnapped a monkey. We will here be doing a nice video of TikTok trends, just the songs and ones that only I know. Comment down below or subscribe if you have TikTok channel that I should look up, and I will follow you. I don't have my own TikTok channel. I just have TikTok on my phone, so that's how I got all these things. And my phone is dead, actually. I'm filming on the iPad. I want to show you the iPad I'm filming on. I want to bend this thing so bad. But I can't, or I can't film videos for you. That would be another broken iPad. And oh my god, what's up, my cat? So, in this one, I'm using my Echo, guys. I have to use it. Turn on and do all that blah blah stuff. So yeah, just wanted to warn you about that. And let's get started with the video. Whoa. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I like this new piggy. And I'm gonna be doing all my slimes to you, so it's kind of just a video. A surprising, unique video. So let's get started with it. I'm so far away from this camera right now, and it looks like I'm like right here to it. But I am not. Now I am. It looks like I'm so far away. Comment down below if you get that on your camera. Oh my god, I gotta cry. But yeah, guys, let's get started. Oh, and by the way, yeah, let's get started. The first one is dump truck. Here comes a dump truck in the flash. Here comes the cootie squad. We should shut up, Heather. Sorry, Heather. Look who's with her. Oh my god. Dang, dang, diggity, dang, dang. 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 Yeah. Get out of here, you go. I want to kidnap you too. So you guys, let's get started. Right now, we are just starting off with that one. And now we're going to do Savage, which was in my intro. I'm savage. Classy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what happened? What's happening? I'm savage. Okay. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what happened? What's happening? I'm savage. Okay. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what happened? What's happening? I'm savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what happened? What happened? I'm savage. Okay. Yeah. Get out of here. Go to my video. Oh my god. And for the poor life. Guys, I don't know that many TikTok trends. And so I'm gonna show you all my slimes. I'm getting all my slimes right now. I actually didn't need my, thingy-mabobber I'm smart. Okay, I got all my slimes behind the camera here, and I have no place to sit now. Great. First slime is it is a gumdrop slime, and it's one of my favorite slimies. I really like the slime, and so yeah. This slime is really satisfying if you open up the lid. If you don't. I'm gonna zoom in right now, because like that thing's satisfying. Just literally looks like a color collage, and I'm putting it right up to the camera. Am I doing that? No. Okay. Goat is stupid. But what's really pretty is when it shines in the light. It's such a clear blue. It's darker what it is. And then you ready? It's gonna massage me. I love pushing it in and then just stretching it. It's a really satisfying way to live. Oh my god, guys, this is gonna fall. I'm gonna giving it more. Trust me. It's like the slime going. But this was my favorite slime in high school. So it's my favorite slime in high school. It was. Now I don't go to high school anymore. I'm in middle school. Comment down below how that happened. Please just comment down below, please. Or you know what? Pause this video and then subscribe. And yeah. Look at how satisfying it is when they just all pop out. Ugh. Really satisfying, and I really like it. Now the way it just crack. My cat would fly up, yes! Oh my god, guys. It's like, get over here, Billy Betty Dog. Your time. Okay. My next slime is this slime. This slime is a mixed slime. It's a crunchy slime too, the foam one. It has 15 names, guys. You probably knew that though. This one isn't really a good clear guy ever, because I put it the whole entire bag of it in. But those foam beads. It's really cold. Oh, I said they're really cold. They've been in the attic all. Guys, tell me something you got in coronavirus. Actually, I think my comments are always turned off. If they're turned on in this video, just comment down below. If they are not and they are turned off, what I want you guys to do is just pause this video again and say something you really like something you got that you really liked, and it was during Corona, because I made this video during Corona. Also, subscribe. Turn on notification bell, actually. If you are here during Corona. Because it's a tough year for everybody, people. I don't think it's only you. This one has 2 slimes in it. I really like these slimes. I got a flower slime right here. It used to be all full flowers, and I just cut them up. And then I got a pom-pom slime. I really like taking the pom-pom slime out and just letting it drip. Like, just watch it drip, guys. It's so fast to drip. Respect the drip, Karen. I forgot that one. Why don't you say so? Didn't even know it, but because you said to row it, you got to keep your focus. We want to say so. If you want me to play any song while I do my videos, comment down below. Or like this video if you don't know. Doing songs during my videos. I've done it during one of my spas. And yes, I said one of them because I have like six. Okay, guys, what I really like doing is this one. Pop. Put it back in. Pop. Like one of those stress balls. Pop. Literally looks so dark blue. This one looks like really dark blue, but it's like really light. It literally looks like how. Ugh. This one looks really. Oh my god, that thing is like a night, like black. And the screen. Oh my god, I love. Pop, pop, pop. It's really satisfying. Oh my god, I almost put it in the fire. Time for the flower one anyway. It's really it's slime. It doesn't really have much purpose. The petals are stuck. Oh my god, what are you doing? Zoom in. Put in the flower. Okay, but I really like this thing. This one's one of my favorites. I know this is not gonna be a minute to walk around slime, but people like slime, okay? Like, respect the drip fans. Oh, my other slime's hidden behind here. Of course it is. I couldn't find it anymore. Slime is really, really good. All the slimes I got came in this one, or like one of those mixed ones. I really like this one a lot, though. It is a really dark blue, because my dad, it was like a really light blue. And my dad made it a really dark, like teal, like an actual type of dark, like teal. Really like that. So I really like the blue color that he played with it. And I haven't been really wondering where is it. I'm gonna put more white food dye in it. Why does this thing smell like food? Like it smells like a legit food. Okay, well, yeah, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and turn on those notifications bells so you can be notified every time I make a new video. Stay good for your parents because I know I am. Bye, guys. I love you.